Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having and making a beautiful life for yourself with your thoughts and your actions and making sure that you're creating good for yourself. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin. Volume is very, very strong. So a lot of people have been panicking and getting out here, but the volume has been quite massive. Volume predicts price. Bitcoin is spiking between 95 and 98, but a lot of volume. Abnormally a lot of volume. Someone knows something. In my opinion, I think they know that the war is going to be stopped, ceasefire in Russia and Ukraine, and that's why we're having like this big volume come back into the market, because a war with Russia, 50% of the crypto market before was Russian. So if the war ends, this could be massive for crypto. People are discussing in the guru chat, there's a lot of knowledge in technical analysis, which is 100% true. Make sure you learn technical analysis. It will change your life and it will make you rich if you learn it. I'm not joking. Take the 3.33 trillion market cap. How funny is that? 3.33 trillion crypto market cap, 1.5 million viewers, Bitcoin price live. You can set this up on your screens. TV, have the chart switching out in the background. 60K bonus with Bybit when you trade on them. Take the courses, Crypto Mastercourse, Stockroom Mastercourse to learn all of this. Make sure you do before. 48 neutral, 54% dominance, funding fee positive, 96,500. We'll jump into the technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in. And my trades, let's see where they are. 951 getting a bounce back, which is beautiful. BTC up 7K since I bought that 1 minute chart. Look where my buyers were exactly on the bottom onto the 1 minute. Funding fee is going positive. There's a lot of volume coming in. So this is quite good. This is interesting. Looks like a little mini bull market can set off, which would be cool if a bull market sets off right now for a lot of projects. Hopefully they don't go into stupid pump and dump meme coins. Look for projects that are building. These are the altcoins I'm holding. You have to do your own due diligence. I own and seed invested a lot of these companies. Guru Chat has thousands of you in there, or like 800 or 900 of you in there right now talking together. Get the Telegram Premium so you can all chat together with no limitations in countries. Tesla getting a big bounce back. Trump up 18%. Tesla up 5 plus 1%. This is pricing in the end of the war. So if you want to, in my opinion, this could be very good for the markets. If they announce a ceasefire, then it's going to pump like crazy. So I'm going to prepare for that actually. So I'm going to actually increase my Ethereum trade. Let's do on the technicals. Bitcoin weekly looks okay. Volume was weak, but now we're seeing a big pump in volume. Descending wedge on Bitcoin. I've been showing this for quite a few days. Don't tell people I didn't warn you. Descending wedge, build pressure like this and break upwards. So we're about to have a move on Bitcoin to 106K would be the target. On the 4 hourly also turning up. The trade that I would still take is from a safe zone. From the support 93, you always want to buy on supports. You don't want to buy at the market price and then it drops a little bit and you get liquidated if you're trading. You want to buy, if you're buying spot DCA over the months, if you're buying now, these are the two trades I would set up at 91 and 93, target 106. And I'm going to check. So let's go closer into the hourly. There is strong volume. On the hourly, there is also some pattern. It's under the 200 moving average, this blue line here. I teach you all of this in the courses, but there is a pattern forming here on the hourly chart also. And I think it's going to be a symmetrical triangle. That's what I was seeing, you see? I think Bitcoin can have it could pull back one more time, and it won't be that much. So if it does pull back, it will pull back to the bottom of this triangle. So I'll move up this safer trade to this support on this triangle at 95,300. It would be better, actually a bit higher. 95,700 would be the trade open. And then the take profit would be 106,000, risking $981 to make $10,400. 100x leverage or 10x leverage would be $100,000 profits. So that's the trade. 10 risk to reward ratio. Risk 1,000 to make 100. That's the trade I would take. If it's 10x leverage, if it's just natural leverage, no leverage, it's 1,000 to make 10,000. Which is amazing. That's what the trade I'll take. Safer trade would be still from 91. Let's go into Ethereum. So Bitcoin, I will actually set this trade to add another 1 Bitcoin at 95K. I'm going to up my trades because if they announce the end of the war, the market's going to pump like crazy. 95,700. And I think they're going to do it. That's why the market is already moving so strong. It's already pricing in something. It already knows that something is coming. That's why the volumes all of a sudden started to spike. 95710. 95710. Crypto predicts the movement of the world. If you think about it, the crypto is, or technical analysis, is the movements of the financial currencies of every country in the entire financial market. So you're watching the market move on these little bars. So as you're watching this chart, you're watching the market move. What is the market? The entire economic market of the world. What is money? Lifeblood of the world. So you're watching the actual heartbeat of the world when you see these charts and you learn how to use them. So that means, if you understand that, that means you can predict events before they happen. So I'm going to add one more Bitcoin at 95,700. I'm going to add more to this trade. That's another 100K to the trade. So this trade is already 500,000, which is beautiful. This Ethereum trade as well, I'm going to do technicals now. And I want to up it as well because, again, and I want to buy some alts that are low, because if they do announce something like this, again, bull market. And Ethereum is the same. Descending wedge on the daily, as I showed you on Bitcoin. That's when you get multiple patterns that look the same. That's also a good sign, you know. So I don't think it was going to break down. You can try to get this trade from, try to take it from this support on the closest symmetrical triangle. If it gets a pullback, so 2592, I'm going to set this trade. And then I'm going to take it all the way to 4,100, and then I'm going to see what happens then. That's 11x, so 143 per Ethereum to make 1,500. So I'm going to open this trade at 2592. So 2592, I'm going to up this trade quite a bit actually. 2592. I'm going to do 20 Ethereum because I want to 2592. It will add 20 Ethereum to the trade at 2592. 2592, add 20 Ethereum, total cost 2,600, 50K volume, confirm. So this would become 130 Ethereum trade. Why? Because I think it's going to pump. World, I want to also check world. Because the volume's coming in. The volumes are coming in quite strong right now. Why would all of a sudden they come in? No major news. Massive descending triangle on world. Look at this. Target is $12 and it's getting squeezed. Look at this getting squeezed here inside the pattern. People think TA doesn't work, but if you keep watching this, if you start really understanding this, it will change your entire life. You'll be able to understand how money moves and the world moves and money and how the markets move. And if you understand that, then you can make money in these markets. And it's not hard to learn. It's just you need to study. So I'm going to add more. You could pull back to 0.98. I already have a trade there. But again, I'm going to up this trade purely on the expectation. I'm going to do 5K lots and then 5K further down. 5K at the current price and 5K further down. Because there's a lot of potential in world. And I'll add in the other coins, but I'm going to do those in another video. Join us in the Telegram, 883 of you online. You can get the premium so you can translate and talk to everyone in the world. In this chat, there's a lot of moderators and things there. All the links are down below. Bybit gives 60K bonus, Weex $200 bonus, Bitunix is now $8,000 bonus, and they have a trading competition. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. I'll leave it at that. Love you all. Have an amazing Valentine's Day. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell, get your girlfriend flowers, enjoy, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.